Bitcoin is trying to push out from the downward trend, but I am not 100% sure that it has enough juice. Elrond is forming a symmetrical triangle. Coinbureau's guy is not going to be our friend, at least it seems that he doesn't want to. Lanceria has some news, they are improving and they are focusing on marketing. Hi, my name is Sabi and I'm here to help you with crypto. So if you like crypto, consider subscribing. Let's dive in. Before we start, the usual, use a VPN. If you don't have one, you can find one in the descriptions. Also, if you want to get in contact with me, Twitter, Discord, every link is in the description, you can find it there. Help me trigger the YouTube algorithm, smash the like button, comment something, comment what you don't like, and I will try to improve it. We are at the Bitcoin price chart, and as you can see, we are at the 46,000s, and this is a pretty hard to break resistance. Now, as you can see here, we are in this downward trend, and it's a make it or break it situation where we don't know if it's going to go up. As far as I think, we are not gonna go up for some time, because Bitcoin never goes down sideways and up. It's just I just didn't really see it, and we don't have the volume, as you can see here, to make a big push. Therefore, I do think that we will still spend some time here, maybe visit the 42,000s, maybe we will go even lower. Some say that this is again a Wyckoff accumulation. That would mean that we will need a spring which goes below this initial dump. Therefore, we don't know what the future holds for us. One thing is for sure, if you want to accumulate, this is a good time. So this here was not a good time because everything was going up, and that would have been FOMO. Right now we are in a dip. If somebody wants to accumulate, this is one of the good chances. Let's go forward. Ethereum, more or less following Bitcoin. So far this 3,100 held the price. It's trying to break to this resistance right now, but as I can see from my side, it's exactly the same pattern as Bitcoin. Which doesn't have the same pattern as Bitcoin, that's Elrond. And as you can see, Elrond seems to charge again. Now, obviously, Maiar exchange Battle of Yields is starting today. Therefore, this could be, let's say, an ignition for the buyings. The exchange volume is depleting. I think it's 5% less than yesterday. 1 month ago, we had 2.5 million, I think, and now we have 1.5 million coins on exchanges. And obviously, this is a very good sign. It means that people are buying. Now, what I don't understand is why Coinbureau guy doesn't like Elrond. But before we jump on here again and before we criticize him, I just want to share a couple of thoughts which I think are also in the play. So one of them is that Elrond is very well, let's say, endorsed by BitBoy Crypto. These two don't like each other, for one. Next one, these big influencers, they all have contracts with different coins, meaning that maybe he already had contract with one of the coins, Ethereum, Avalanche, Solana, I don't know, which excludes to accept another contract from another coin, which could be a competitor to these coins. That could also be a very important factor. Or just the simplest, he doesn't like Elrond because, yeah, Solana, Elrond, these coins take the shine away from Ethereum, and we know that he's an Ethereum guy. Therefore, don't hate him, don't criticize him. Yeah, he has a very big fan base, but long as he doesn't spread misinformation about Elrond, as long as he doesn't trash talk Elrond, he just leaves it out from his list or from the coins he talks about in his videos, I don't really have a big problem with him, because yeah, usually everyone who watches Coinbureau guy, he also watches some of the other big channels and they can find out about Elrond. Therefore, I understand his situation. I hope that the explanation, it's not the simplest explanation which I just said, but yeah, if he doesn't like Elrond, if he doesn't want to participate in Elrond's community, I understand that, and everybody has the right to do that. Okay, I wanted to make checkup on Ulti Arena. I know that some of you bought into the whitelist of Ulti Arena. I also did it. I bought Ulti Arena coins for 0.5 BNB, which is around $200, and I got the coins with a 0.05 cents per coin. That is 3 zeros. Since then, we did a 10x. And in these cases, it's always very, very hard to sell. But I did sell. I sold 10% of the full coin what I had, because that is the amount I could claim. The next 90% or the remaining 90% will be available by the end of December. Right now it's a 10x, which is pretty nice, and this is the exact thing which I said in my video when I introduced to you, I told you about this opportunity. Right now I sold 10% of my full amount of coins. That is how much I could claim, and I took back my capital. Therefore, from here, if it goes higher or lower, I cannot lose any money. And the reason I'm telling you this is an example. You should always consider taking back your capital from these small coins, because yes, they can go 100x, they can go 200x or 50, but they can also go to zero. Therefore, if you don't have capital in it, if you already took back your capital and you didn't make profit, but you still have coins because you didn't have to sell all your coins, from there you can only win. Next one, Lanceria. We didn't talk about Lanceria for some time, and I got some comments that what is happening with them. Well, until last week there was no big news or new stuff to share. Right now the coin's price is at 23 cents. I bought in at 1.5 or 1.4, something like that, so I'm in like plus 70%. It doesn't really matter right now because this project is for a longer term. I will not sell in the near future. I don't think so. What is happening right now is, you can see it on their Twitter profile. They were in Prague at the IBM headquarters, and they are having a collaboration with IBM to enhance their artificial intelligence arbitrage system, which will be used for the projects between the client and the freelancer. I think this is very important, because as long as these things are automated and programmed with artificial intelligence, with smart contracts, everything will go faster, everything will be done faster. And this is a very important fact, because nobody wants to wait for their money weeks until, I don't know, somebody presses the button that yes, it is accepted. So this is very good. Also, they had a live podcast to update about the situation and what is happening. They are launching the alpha application for Lanceria, and they also start to have interviews or announcements in English on YouTube. Yes, the basic fan base is in Romania for them, but the biggest market obviously is not in Romania. The biggest market is in Europe, is in the US, Australia, also Asia. And they need to start communicating with everyone in English. Therefore, I'm very happy to hear that they will start podcasts, announcements on YouTube, live videos in English. So this is all I wanted to talk about today. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button if you like the content. Don't forget that Battle of Yields is starting today at 4 p.m. I might check in with a live video just to help you starting up. I mean, I don't know yet how to start up, to be honest, but yeah, we will just find it out together. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow.